Hardreset.info, the following tutorial shows all method of master reset VIVO Y19. Check out how to accomplish hard reset by hardware keys and Android 9.0 Pie settings. As a result, your VIVO Y19 will be as new and your MediaTek MT6768 Helio P65 core will run faster. First method, at the very beginning, press and keep the power button and select the power off option. Let's push at the same time a combo of the power key and the volume up key for a moment. 3. The fast boot mode will be on the screen. Here, use the volume rocker to select and by the power key accept. 4. Pick the recovery mode option. 5. In this menu you can just tap the needed chapter. Go to the clear data, clear all data. 6. Push the OK key to begin the operation. 7. Then, use the return button. 8. In the end, you should to select the restart function to activate the device. 9. Mission complete. Please like and subscribe my channel.